Hi there, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to set up LED strip lighting in your kitchen. This is a great way to add some extra lighting and ambience to your space. So, let's get started. You'll need a LED strip, a power supply, and a LED strip diffuser. You can find all of these items online or at your local hardware store. As you know, we will install our LED light strip right here, just behind the upper side of the kitchen cabinet. So, let's grab our LED strip light diffuser and cut it to the appropriate size. I measured that 120 centimeters would be enough for our application. I used wire stripper to cut it, but you can also use angle grinder for more precise cut, so the edges would be more prettier and smooth. Do the same to the plastic part of diffuser. Cut it to the same dimension just like you do with the metal part. Okay, now is the time to mark positions for drilling the LED strip diffuser. I decided to drill 4 holes total, 2 from the one side and 2 from the another side of the diffuser. You can see my sketch of positions of drill holes. I will use screws from 18 millimeters. These screws are short and it would be enough to tie LED diffuser to the upper kitchen cabinet. Before we tie our diffuser to the upper side of cabinet, make sure to level the metal part of diffuser to the front side of upper kitchen cabinet. I suppose that 3 centimeters would be perfect distance from front kitchen cabinet to our LED diffuser. Okay, let's get back to action. Now we are using cordless drill to tie the metal part of LED diffuser to the upper kitchen cabinet. As I mentioned before, 4 screws would be enough for holding our LED diffuser. Little update, this first screw is gone too far, so I placed it to the right place. Next step is to make a hole for power supply cable. We will use drill bit form 8 millimeters to drill a hole to the upper kitchen cabinet. Just be careful to do this, so you wouldn't damage a wood. Okay, now we need to get through a power supply cable to the drilled hole. Power supply will be directly plugged into the electrical outlet, so we wouldn't use a switch or remote control for turning on and off the light strip. My LED strip is actually a RGB strip, but this is an LED strip part that I found somewhere, so I didn't throw it, because I would use it for something like this for free. I choose a blue color for my kitchen because it fits to my interior. In this case, we will need to connect plus 12V from the LED strip to the red wire from power supply, and the letter B as blue on the LED strip to the blue wire from the power supply. Now it's time to install the LED strip in your kitchen. You can use adhesive tape or clips to attach the strip to the underside of your LED diffuser. Be sure to clean the surface before attaching the strip to ensure a strong hold. Mine LED strip has already adhesive from the other side. Now we remain to connect our LED strip to the power supply. We will use soldering iron and connect one component to another. I skipped this boring part about soldering, so now this would be a final result after soldering these components together. Let's remove the remaining adhesive tape from the LED light strip and put back loose wires inside of the kitchen cabinet. Now we remained only one step to fully installing LED strip to our kitchen. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure to do it now for more home improvement tips. Final step is to put back plastic cover of diffuser to the metal part. Start from the one end to another by pressing gently a plastic part to the metal part. You will hear the click sound after you successfully assemble LED diffuser. If you are planning to set up LED lights in your kitchen, let me know in the comments below what color would you choose. And you made it. That's how you can set up a LED strip in your kitchen. It's a simple and affordable way to add some extra lighting and ambience to your space. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more DIY videos. Stay tuned.